Okay, welcome back. So the next question again on polar coordinates. So we have to integrate this using polar coordinates. So the step one is to sketch the region. So step one, sketching. So we can see the limit for y is between these two curves and the limit for x is the outer limit, that is from 0 to 1. So we can write minus square root x minus x square less than or equal to y less than or equal to square root x minus x square. That is for the y, and for the x it is 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. So we will try to analyze what is this curve. So from here we can see, so if y is equal to square root of x minus x square, that would imply y square is x minus x square, and that would imply x square minus x plus y square equal to 0 by shifting everything on the left side. Now I will try to complete this square. So I will just write this as x square minus x plus 1 by 4 plus y square is equal to 1 by 4. So I'm just adding 1 by 4 on both sides because I want to complete this square. And this is now the circle with center half comma 0 and radius is half. Okay, so it looks like a circle now, and y is between these two curves. So let's try to draw this circle. So we have something like this circle with center at half and 0, somewhere here, half comma 0, and the radius is also half. That means if I try to draw this circle, I should get something like this, where this length should be equal to 1. So half plus half, 1, half, 0 to half, half to 1, that way. Alright, so this is the positive square root x minus x square, and this is the negative square root x minus x square. And the x limit, if we see, it is between the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So that means everything between x is equal to 0 and this is x is equal to 1. So the line is not important much because already it is covering the circle. Now once we do the sketching, the next part is to write the polar coordinates. Alright, so here we can see there is a shift of origin. So what we will do, put x is equal to half plus r cos theta, because the center of on the x-axis is shifted by half, and y will be just r sine theta. And whenever we are changing the variable, there should be a Jacobian, that is jr theta, that will be r. And we can see the radius, it is starting from 0 to 1. The radius length is 0 to half. Okay, if we see the radius of the circle is half, so our r will be from 0 less than r less than half, and this from the center point we have to trace the entire circle. Okay, so in that case our theta will vary from 0 less than theta less than 2 pi. So these are the new limits which we have to consider. And if we see, we need to integrate what is x square plus y square. So I'll try to find that first. So what is x square plus y square? Here it will be 1 by 2 plus r cos theta square plus r sine theta square. And if I expand this, it will be like 1 by 4 plus 2 gets cancelled. So r cos theta plus r square cos square theta plus r square sine square theta. Okay, so a plus b the whole square will give me this, and the other coordinate is r square. All right, so if I try to combine them, that will just give me r square. So I am left with actually x square plus y square is 1 by 4 plus r cos theta plus r square. All right, so 1 by 4 plus r cos theta, and this combined give me r square. All right, so therefore my integration 0 to 1 minus x square to x minus x square x square plus y square dy dx now becomes equal to integration theta I can take from 0 to 2 pi, radius is from 0 to half, and the function changes to 1 by 4 plus r cos theta plus r square, and don't forget to multiply by the Jacobian, and since theta is first, so d theta dr. Alright, so this will reduce to, I'll just multiply r, so it's like 0 to half, then it is r by 4 integration 0 to 2 pi d theta plus r square integration 0 to 2 pi cos theta d theta plus r cube integration 0 to 2 pi d theta, and the entire thing is integrated with respect to r. Okay, so I've just multiplied by r inside. Everywhere I get this equation. Now evaluating this will be like integration 0 to half r by 4, and this is theta 0 to 2 pi plus r square integration of cos is sine theta 0 to 2 pi plus r cube theta 0 to 2 pi, and entire thing is with respect to r. Alright, so this will be, now we know this is 2 pi integration 0 to half r by 4 dr plus, okay, we can take everything common. Okay, let's take it as which is equal to integration 0 to half, this is 2 pi by 4 r plus r square, so sine 2 pi minus sine 0. So if we see the upper one, that will be like 0 minus 0 plus this will be again 2 pi r cube dr. All right, so we will separate everything, so it is like 2 pi by 4 integration 0 to half r dr plus 2 pi integration 0 to half r cube dr, and that is pi by 2 r square by 2 0 to half plus 2 pi r raised to 4 by 4 0 to half, and this is now pi by 4, and this will be like 2 I am taking here, so it will be 1 by 4 minus 0 plus 2 pi by 4, it will be 1 by 2 raised to 4, that is 1 by 16 minus 0. So finally we are left with pi by 16 plus this goes to plus pi by 32. So finally I have to just take the LCM, so 2 pi plus pi by 32 or 3 pi by 32 is the answer in this case. Okay, thank you.